If you want to design faster in Canva without redesigning everything from scratch, this video pulls together 3 quiet power moves I use every week. Quiet Power Move 1. Canva shortcuts that save hours. Spending more time on Canva than your business? Canva has hidden features that can save you hours. Watch. First up, the instant text box by just hitting the T key on your keyboard. A new text box instantly appears on your design, ready for you to type and customize. Keep tweaking until you're happy with it. Next, master duplication. Press Command+D on a Mac or Control+D on a PC. This creates an exact copy. Press it again and Canva intelligently duplicates it with the exact same spacing, creating a clean, professional pattern in seconds. Keep tweaking until you're happy with it. Manually resizing a design for different social media platforms is a huge time sink. Instead, use the Pro feature Magic Switch. Once your design is complete, open Magic Switch, select all the formats you need, and let Canva's AI automatically resize and rearrange your elements for each one. We've just transformed the static post to a reel. Add animations by navigating to the Animate option and add movements to the elements, transforming this into a reel for your business or brand. You can explore other ways to animate the elements as you see fit. Animated assets help your content stand out in crowded feeds, stop the scroll, and communicate your message faster. Quiet Power Move 2. Brand Kit for consistency. Are you a small business owner still designing from scratch? Stop. Head to Canva and click Brand. Create a new brand kit. Rename it to match your brand. You can customize things like uploading your own logo, colors too. Then head back to the Canva main page and find a design template, for example, a social media post. Once you find the template you like, customize it using the Canva editor. Click Brand, then the colors from your newly created brand kit. Instantly, the design changes to your brand colors. You can tweak its elements like the fonts, line spacing, sizing, placement, and so much more. Keep tweaking until you're happy with it. This is the magic of Canva's brand kit. You don't have to create your designs from scratch. It's also very easy to customize a design template from the Canva editor. Then you can add pages, find new design templates, and customize those as well. As a business owner, the lesser time you spend creating your brand assets, the more time you have to think about your business strategy, like how to grow your business. Let Canva do the heavy lifting for your business assets. Keep looking for design templates and apply your brand colors. It's that simple. You don't have to do it all on your own. Use tools that save you time so you can focus on money-making tasks. That's it. You've created 3 designs all on brand, and you didn't have to create them all from scratch. Quiet Power Move 3. Bulk Creation System. Many small business owners spend hours designing posts from scratch. It's exhausting and inconsistent. Let's be honest, doing this manually is a huge time drain. That's hours you could spend on your business or with your family. The solution? Canva Bulk Create. Let's say you own a cafe and want to turn your testimonials into a month of social media content, but you only have about an hour on a Sunday. Here's exactly how you'd use Canva Bulk Create. First, choose a social media template that's already on brand. Next, head to the Apps section in Canva and search for Bulk Create. If you've used it before, you'll see it in the left-hand part of the editor. Once it opens, click Enter Data manually. Before you do anything else, make sure you've prepared your content separately. Your testimonials, names, and any relevant images should already be ready to go. Now create 3 columns, 1 for the testimonial text, 1 for the name, and 1 for the image. Copy and paste your data into each column. Then, select the text and image elements in your template and connect them to the correct data fields. Once everything is linked, Click Continue, then Create Designs, and Canva will automatically create a new design for each testimonial. And just like that, you've created multiple testimonial posts in one go. Bonus tip: you can also use resize to instantly turn these designs into other formats like Reels, Stories, or Pinterest pins. And just like that, you have consistent, polished content, ready for all platforms in seconds. No stress, no extra hours. You can use this strategy to create other types of content, like product launch posts or sale posts. Start the new year with a content system, not chaos. If you found this video helpful and would like to help shape our future videos, don't forget to scan the QR code or click the link in the description. Subscribe to the Quiet Power Move for simple Canva and AI strategies designed to save time and help your business grow.